The Audi A4, as we know it, is officially dead. Before the name returns some years from now as an electric sedan, the role of a combustion engine model will be assumed by the all-new A5. From day one, Audi Sport will sell a hotter S5 with a long roof but not a US visa. Say hello to the S5 Avant, a fresh name that'll frankly take some time to get used to. The pretty wagon from Ingolstadt has thankfully not been bitten by the downsizing bug. The S5 Avant still has a 3.0-liter V6 like its predecessor. Better yet, it packs a greater punch courtesy of a mild hybrid setup. The four rings have rated the engine at 362 horsepower, which is up by 13 horsepower compared to the old model. Torque isn't listed, but we're expecting an improvement over the S4 Avant's 369 lb-ft of twist. Aside from receiving 48 VTEC, the six-cylinder engine now works with a 7-speed, dual-clutch automatic transmission, replacing the 8-speed Tiptronic torque converter. It can handle more torque than before and is also slightly lighter. Much like the defunct S4, its replacement comes with Quattro all-wheel drive as standard. Audi Sport throws in a differential with torque vectoring for optimal grip and power delivery. As with the A5 models, the performance derivative sits on what Audi calls the Premium Platform Combustion, PPC. It's essentially an evolution of the Volkswagen Group's MLB architecture. The German luxury brand has stretched the cars by 2.6 inches to 190.1 inches. For more legroom, the wheelbase has been elongated by 3.1 inches to 114.1 inches. At least in Europe, the cars will have more standard equipment to reposition the vehicles in the upper midsize segment. While America isn't getting the wagon, the regular A5/S5 is coming here. It's officially labeled as the A5/S5 sedan, but it's actually a more practical 5-door model with a tailgate. It effectively replaces the old A5/S5 Sportback. The traditional sedan isn't the only body style dead, considering the A5/S5/RS5 Coupe and convertible are gone from the lineup as well. It's worth noting Audi used to sell the S4 and S5 in Europe with a diesel V6 engine, but the new S5 will be a gasoline-only affair. Details about the US spec models will be disclosed in due course.